Krishna, welcome to this session, the fifth session of the glorification of Lord Narsimdev on his most auspicious Narsimha Jayanti festival, which is coming on the 6th May. So we are discussing every day some wonderful pastime, incredible pastime done by Lord Narsimdev in recent past. In Mayapur, Lord Narsimdev is there, who is very merciful. He does so many merciful pastimes with his devotees. So in that sequence only we are sharing few pastimes. So once there was one Mataji from Russia, and she was doing every day some service to Lord Narsimdev. What service she was doing? That she will make Tulsi Mala for Lord Narsimdev. So one day the Pujari of Narsimdev got very happy, and he, being very pleased, he gave Lord Narsimdev's nails. So that Vigrah of Lord Narsimdev is having some nails. So that nails was given to this Mataji by Pujari as prasadam. Okay, so this Mataji became very happy after receiving such mercy from Lord Narsimdev, and she happily went home. And then in the night when she was sleeping, she saw one dream, and in that dream Lord Narsimdev is sitting just near to her bed, and Lord Narsimdev through his wonderful nails, he actually, what Lord did, Lord Narsimdev entered his nails inside the heart of that Mataji. It was in dream, and from the heart Lord Narsimdev took out one black thing, something black, and then Lord Narsimdev is telling to this Mataji, take care, what is this? This is not prema, this is not love, this is lust, this is vasana. You should take care properly. So, how can I stay in this heart? Still some more is there, Lord said. So, then Mataji got up, and next morning she reached to temple and started praying to Lord Narsimdev that please remove all the black thing which is there in my heart. So in this way Lord Narsimdev was reciprocating to her, because Pujari gave nails, and through that nails only Lord Narsimdev gave the message in the dream. So this was wonderful thing shared by that Mataji. Then once another time, what happened that in one village there was some fight. So in that fight, one person actually threw acid on the face of another person, and because of this acid attack, this person got so much injury, and her face and his face was fully burnt kind of, and then actually the one eye was fully damaged, and then one eye was fully damaged, other eye was also kind of fully damaged. Actually only 10% sight was there, and doctor said that also will go after few days, so he will be completely blind. Then people said what to do, and then some people were suggesting to go to this hospital, that hospital. Then some people told to go to Vellore in South India. There some hospital is there. They said if you go there, there are some chances that they can cure you. So then when this discussion was going on, there was one devotee, and that devotee told, actually you can go first to Mayapur, Lord Narsimdev. So if Lord Narsimdev get pleased with you, he can cure. So this person went to Mayapur and Bhagwan Narsimdev temple in Mayapur. So then he started praying to Lord Narsimdev, and then the very next day when he went to the doctor, doctor was surprised, because doctor said there is no problem in the eyes now, both the eyes are cured and he is able to see 100%. So in this way Lord Narsimdev gave him both the eyes. So then one another time Lord Narsimdev mercy manifested. Actually there was one devotee, youth forum devotee. So his father was having some doubt. What doubt was that? His father was saying that when already Radha Madhav is here, then why Narsimdev? Why we have to worship Narsimdev also? Then the boy said, the devotee boy said that actually Lord Narsimdev and Madhav are same. There is no difference. They are same only. So, but still his father was not convinced very much. Then in 2003 they came for Lord Narsingdev Abhishekam. So when the Abhishek was going on, then all of a sudden his father noticed that actually Narsingdev Vigraha is there, but face is Madhav. So in the Narsingdev Vigraha, his father is seeing Madhava's face. And then he was surprised and then immediately turned to the Madhav. Madhav is there. And then he is seeing Narsingdev. There also Madhav is there. Then he was seeing Madhava's face in the Vigraha of Lord Narsingdev for at least 20 seconds. And then his doubt was cleared and he was fully satisfied that there is no difference in the Narsingdev and Madhava. So you see how Lord is helping devotees mercifully, and blessing them. And then there was another incident happened in year 2004. So one of the disciple of His Holiness Jayaprakash Swami Guru Maharaj, she was from Kolkata. Her name was Kavipriya Mataji. So she actually got one new jewelry for Lord Narsingdev's neck, one kind of necklace. So she wanted to offer this to Lord Narsingdev, but somehow she could not come on that time. Then soon after she got sick and her sickness was increasing. Then she approached many doctors, and then some doctors told that we have to do some checkup, and then they did checkup. Then they found that she got problem of thyroid. So doctor said if you are not cured soon, then it may increase and you may not even be able to walk and like that. So then what happened that this Mataji got little scared what to do now, how to get cured. And then in meanwhile only she got this remembrance. Actually she forgot. So then this memory came back that actually she had got this necklace for Lord Narsingdev and she was supposed to go to Mayapur, but due to her busy schedule she could not go. Then when doctor said like this, then immediately she planned somehow, even though she was very sick, but somehow she planned and she went to Mayapur, and then she offered the necklace to Lord Narsingdev. So then Lord Narsingdev this necklace. So what happened after that? The day she offered this necklace to the Lord Narsingdev, so within 3 days she was completely cured. She became completely healthy. So in this way we are seeing that Lord Narsingdev's direct reciprocation to the devotees. Okay, so thank you so much. We will come up with some new stories next time, tomorrow. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Shri Prabhupada की जय. भक्ति विघ्न विनाशक नरसिंहदेव भगवान की जय. भक्त शिरोमणि प्रहलाद महाराज की जय.